Hi everyone, I'm Emmanuel Tugudo and this is my Lab 2 demo for cloud computing at Georgia Tech. So we worked on a Photogallery application with two variants. The first was the SQL variant, which used Amazon RDS for storing photo records, and the second, the Amazon Dynamo, the NoSQL variant, which used Amazon DB for storing photo records. Apart from that, both architectures were pretty much the same in that they used Amazon S3 for storing photos, and they both run on an Amazon Ubuntu EC2 instance. So here we can see that the instance is already set up and running, and you can see my AWS username in the top right of the console just to confirm that this is my work. So as you can see, I've already uploaded the folders for both of them, as well as the utils folder, which is used to create our tables for the SQL variant. So this is where I uploaded all of them to the Ubuntu EC2 instance. So I'm going to start with the NoSQL variant to showcase our user management and authentication features, and also how to cancel an account. Then after that, I'm going to showcase the rest of the features using the SQL variant. So I can run it using Python, py. Nice. So if I click here, I already have the URL up here. So it tells me to log in. I'm going to try and log in without having signed up to make an account. And this says, oh, I have to create an account to use the service. So I'm quickly going to do that here. And I'm going to enter password. I'm going to enter something that doesn't match, just to show that we covered like all password cases. So they must match, and to be secure they must have lowercase characters and uppercase character and those kind of things. Nice. So yep, I'm able to sign up, but first, before I could sign up, I have to verify my account, which is one thing we had to work on. And what happens is that like a confirmation token gets sent to my email. So as you can see, the confirmation token is at the end of this confirm URL here, and it expires after 10 minutes. So if I don't like click on this link within 10 minutes, my account will be verified, and I'll have to like sign up again with that same email. So I've confirmed my account. You can verify this by checking the user DB, the user DynamoDB, and as you can see, the account is verified. My password is also hashed to prevent people from stealing such sensitive information. And back to the website, sign in. Nice, I'm logged in. So what happens when I'm logged in is that immediately I get logged in, I create a session token and store that in the web session. So whenever I try to access any page on my website, I first check if I'm currently logged in by checking if I have this token in my session, else I'll be logged out of the site immediately. And this expires after 5 minutes, so in case I'm not active on the website and someone tries to access my photo gallery, they won't be able to do anything. So it's the assumption that you'll be like active for you wouldn't be inactive for up to 5 minutes at a stretch. So I'm going to quickly create an album just to show the counseling feature, but we'll work more on the photos later on. So I'm not going to do much in this one. I'm just going to upload the thumbnail. So yeah, we see we have a humidifier album, and if we want to album photos to this album, we just have to enter there. I called the graduation. Yeah, it should be called humidifier. But yeah, so if you check here, You can see description, the name, the owner ID, thumbnail URL. But now I don't want to use this account anymore and I want to try something else. You could cancel your account. And what this is meant to do is delete every single photo in that album, as well as delete the album and delete the user. So I click cancel accounts and we go back there and refresh the console. We'll see that that item no longer exists and the user doesn't exist again. So that's it for the NoSQL variant. I'm going to showcase the rest of the features on the SQL variant. So to do that, I just have to kill this server and run the SQL application. So I'm going to try and start from the home page, but like it's a know that I'm not logged in and take me to the login page instead. So ahead of time I already created a user, so I'm just going to try and run through this quickly. Oh yeah, and I also added an album as well with some photos. So for this we're meant to add a method to delete a photo. So let's see, I don't want this photo. I could click delete and it gets deleted and I get redirected back to my album. If I try and refresh, it doesn't show up. And then we're also meant to add a method to update like information of a photo, like the title, description, and tags. So let's see, I wanted to name this diploma Emmanuel. Yeah, I'm holding this diploma and change tags to just maybe 2000 diploma 2000 graduation. If I click update, yep, that should be changed. And Emmanuel holding his diploma here. And the updated add date is also meant to change, but I also created it today, so you won't really be able to tell. But basically what that simply does is just in behind the scenes is basically gets to these dates and sends that with the request. So the last feature we meant to make was being able to delete an entire album, and I added the possibility to do that from the home page. So if you click on this, it should delete every single photo inside the album as well as the album itself. So yeah, I'm going to click on delete and that is gone. So that's it for this lab and thanks for listening.